In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Whop account and successfully navigate through the steps to make a withdrawal from your earnings. Let's get started by first heading over to whop.com. Once you're on the website, you'll need to log in using your credentials. If you haven't verified your account or set up your payment details yet, make sure to do so before proceeding. This is crucial because any snag in your account information might prevent you from accessing your funds or may even delay the process. After you've logged in and ensured your account is verified, the next thing you'll want to do is access your wallet. To do this, go ahead and click on the profile icon located at the top right corner of your screen. A drop-down menu will appear from which you'll want to select either wallet or earnings. This option is your gateway to managing your funds and understanding what resources are available to you. Now that you have access to your wallet, it's time to check your balance. It's vital to verify your available balance for withdrawal and ensure that it meets any minimum withdrawal requirements that might be set by Whop. These requirements are sometimes in place to ensure efficient processing, and being aware of them ahead of time can save you from any potential hiccups. Once you've verified your balance, you can choose your preferred withdrawal method. Whop currently supports withdrawals through Stripe and PayPal. If you choose Stripe, simply click on Withdraw via Stripe. This will initiate a transfer to your connected bank account. It's a simple and straightforward process, which makes it a popular choice for bank transfers. Alternatively, if you prefer to use PayPal, you should click on Withdraw via PayPal. As a reminder, be sure to double check that the email associated with your PayPal account is correct. Confirming this detail is important to ensure that your money reaches the right place. Once everything is set, confirm the withdrawal request. This action will jumpstart the transfer of your funds to the account you've specified. To wrap up, make sure to confirm the withdrawal. You'll likely receive a confirmation notice that the process has been initiated. Depending on your chosen method, it might take a short while for the transaction to be fully processed and for the funds to appear in your account. And there you have it, a complete guide to withdrawing your earnings from Whop. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough helps you navigate your Whop account with confidence and ease. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to their customer support for assistance. Enjoy managing your earnings more efficiently and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.